And we're back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create black and white photos in Adobe Lightroom. Got a new image here, you will find that via the description link below. Afterwards, click on edit or use the shortcut E, and we want to turn it black and white. We've got this button over here, B and W, and it changes the profile to monochrome. So we've got a black and white preset, and now we don't have a color mixer, we've got a black and white mixer. You can use the auto button here, and if you want to reset that, you can reset it up here by right click on color, then reset colors. So the original has a lot of orange, red and yellow tones, and we want to adjust that with the black and white mixer. So the process works the same way as with the color mixer. But apart from red, orange and yellow, we don't have much colors in the original. So if I use the green, aqua, blue, purple and magenta, there's not much happening here. So we can simply omit these. After we've done so, just click on light, and we want to play around with the lightness, add a little bit of exposure and reduce the contrast slightly. I've got a video about lighting in Adobe Lightroom as well. Just check out my Adobe Lightroom playlist on my channel. And that's it. This is how you can use the black and white mixer to create black and white photos in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.